Follow this short video guide to install Anima and the Anima plugin for 3ds Max, allowing you to easily import, preview and render animated crowds. Before installing the 3ds Max plugin, it's first necessary to install Anima Standalone. On the Axis Design website, add either the free trial or premium version of Anima to your basket and go through the checkout. You can then download the files at any point by going to your account and selecting the correct version for your computer from the available downloads section. Once downloaded, simply run the automatic installer to add Anima to your system. The easiest way to add the plugin is to use the automated installer. This can be downloaded from the Axis website. From the top menu, go to 3D Products, Anima, Documentation. From here you will find plugins for 3ds Max, 3ds Max Design and Cinema 4D. Choose the correct download for your operating system and software version. Once downloaded, run the installer. Check the installation path is correct, click Next and then Install. The Anima plugin for 3ds Max is now installed. To open an Anima project, go to the File menu, click on Import, change the file type to .ani, select an Anima scene file and click Open. To access the Anima scene's properties, click on any one of the actors and open the Modify panel. From here you can increase or decrease the brightness of the diffuse textures. Improve display performance by controlling how actors are previewed in the viewports. Use this slider to adjust the number that display as a full resolution mesh. The remainder display as a bounding box. Finally, you can turn motion blur on and off. Choose whether the characters are visible to the renderer and turn on automatic smoothing to remove visible facets. If you make changes to the source file, use the reload button to update the scene in Max. It's also possible to manually install the plugins. To do this, you need these three files. Simply copy the appropriate versions of the .dli and .xml files to the plugins folder of your 3ds Max installation. Next, we need to tell the plugin where to look for the Anima Standalone application. Open anima.xml in a text editor, locate the Anima Standalone software, and add the path to the XML file. Finally, copy animamax.dll to the install location of the Anima Standalone software. A similar technique can be used to install Anima on a render farm. Note that it's only necessary to install Anima Standalone on a single machine. All other networked computers' plugins can be configured to locate the Anima DLLs over the network. To do this, install Anima Standalone on a single machine, and then either use the automated installer or manual method to install the 3ds Max plugins as previously described. Edit Anima XML and ensure you use a network path to the Anima Standalone software. To complete the installation, for each computer on the network, copy Anima Max DLI and the edited Anima XML file to the plugins folder in the 3ds Max installation directory. If a Max file containing an Anima scene was created using a standalone machine, it may be that the texture references use local paths. To use this file on a render farm, you will need to update these references to a network location. This is easy to achieve. Open the Max file on the network machine, select any character, and from the Modify panel click Rebuild Materials. That's all there is to it. Save the file, it's now ready to be sent to the farm. With the Anima plugin for 3ds Max installed, you're ready to start adding sophisticated crowd animations to your scenes. To get started with Anima Standalone, please see our comprehensive Mastering Anima series of video tutorials.